Hello everyone. So welcome to our presentation. So today I will show you our project, which is our game, and our group name is deeptry group. So let's start our adventures. Okay, so our game name is PV Plant vs Zombie. Our version, which is deeptry version. So our team include two members, which is me, Simon, and my friends Minh. So there will be main part in this presentation. So the first one, I will walk you guys through from 1 to 3, which is the introduction, the gameplay, and um, about the data structure of the game, and you will do the rest of the presentation. So our game, we added lots of features in the game and uh, applying OOP and DSA principles, such as inheritance and polymorphism. And besides that, we also create a lot of interactive game experience, which will suitable for all of ages. Okay, so the first one is the gameplay will include the four main things. The first one will be the characters. The second one will be the gameplay. The third is the levels, and the fourth is the running platform. So about the software requirement, we use the Canva Photoshop of the UML making, and we create the background by using Photoshop, and we drawing by handmade. And the second one we will use the main, which is the VS Code, and we will execute the game by downloading the green food and creating the game elements. And the final one is the GitHub, and um, we up the link on the GitHub. So first of all, we go with the UML about the class diagram. So the deeptry group will initialize two main class, which is the actor class and the work class. As you can see closer, the actor one will spread into a lot of smaller class, which is the flag, like hitbox, like a progress, which is the small one, and it will contain the seed packet, with which will initialize a lot of plants like potato, cactus, or the sunflower. And it's also create the transparent object, which is the natural transparent of the one that you see in the seed packet. And about the word, it will initialize the game overall background, the intro, uh, free level intro, the main menu, the my words, the bobcat logo, and the icon. And as you can see here, there's a lot of it's also initialized a lot of smooth mover, like it will make the zombie move, the animated object, the button, the plant, the zombie, and the include a lot of function in this one. So the next one will be the key components of the class. And as you can see here, the main two classes will be actor and smooth mover. Uh, the button class will represent the interactive buttons in a word. The seat packet class will manage planned seats and their recharging mechanics. The transparent object class will provide functionality to set transparent for an object in a word. The zombie class will represent enemy characters with attributes for health and speed, and a lot more. Uh, as you can see here, the animated object class will spread out a lot of like projectile class. Will handles the fires by the planes and includes archery like speed and damage methods for movement and hitting targets. And the abstract smooth mover class will provide capabilities with a lot to import and manage sprite frames.
So hello. In this class, I will go deeper into the detail of each component of my code. So first, I will explain how to place a plan in PvZ. First, we have the class board, and extend from actor class, main class. So we set an x and y position. Then we have three methods called place a plan, get a plan, remove a plan, and additional method is update board. So we use the matrix array in data structure and algorithm to know the place to plan to play a plan. After that, we set those grids to invisible so that the player will place a plan that do not see the grid line. So make sure the game is smooth and make user friendly. So in the remove plan here, so the function will not be used when unless you click to the servo. So when the servo click, uh, the plan will remove out of the world. So for the moving mechanism, this class is smooth mover and extend from actor. First, we define two variables to know where exact the horizontal position and also the vertical position. Then we have three main uh, four main classes. The first is move. So this move class make the zombie move to the X direction by um, the formula called dx equal mass cos radian multiplied by distance. That is for horizontal position. Mm, then we have getter and setter for this method. make sure that we can get the value and also set for the value. And for the sun counter mechanism, this is very important in our game. This is the currency of the game to buy plan. The initial value is 100 sun counter. First, we define the x and y position of the sun object in the world. After that, we set for the initial uh, initial value and the place in the world that where the sun can be placed, not outside of the box, just inside of the game that so people can click it. Then the test y to display the test and the current frame, last frame, data frame to measuring the time interval in the game. You test for spawning the new function. Then this object only call when the game is start. The call method here is run repeated during the game. It means that it just is 10 seconds, so the sun will fall. And when you and the sun will spawn randomly in the horizontal position when you use the seed bank. So make sure that the sun will display randomly and it will display from the sunflower. So this is our GitHub link, so you can try our game. The green food to compile our game called green food. So you download this to run the GFAR file that in our project. So that's our game, and hope you enjoy it.